Hi friends, welcome to the Discovery Lab. Today we're going to make calm down bottles, or meditation bottles as they're called. Our friends are going to make their own and decorate them, and you can do yours too. If you want to follow along with step-by-step instructions, you can go to our website and have your adult help you download the free pages in our PDF called Calm Down Bottles. Okay, let's go watch what our friends are doing today. Okay, so now you're going to pour in some glue, about 2 inches clear glue. Add water almost to the top. Now, you can put in food coloring, any color you want, and then add glitter and loose parts, whatever you have around. Shake it up really good until the glitter and the glue all mix. Tape the top closed really tight. Here's another friend. They're going to show us how we make our crazy heads. We use plaster craft or paper mache, and we cover up that top so nothing can leak out. And then we paint it either as snowmen or penguins or superheroes. Have fun! Wow, friends, that looks like fun. Okay, let me teach you how to play the game with yourself when you use your calm down bottle. Okay, shake it up real good, and then you're going to take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now count how many breaths it takes you before all the things in your calm down bottle, all the glitter and all the things you stuck in there, settle down. The game is next time you do it, try to take less breaths before they settle down. So you have to slow down your breathing. Okay, friends, have fun and see you next time in the Discovery Lab. Bye.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please visit our website and remember to like and subscribe. Thanks. See you next time.